Taking a screenshot as a whole is an easy yet essential skill to learn. This feature on Mac allows users to capture a portion of the screen, a specific window, or the entire screen. Initiating a screenshot. Step 1. Decide what you want to capture. To capture the entire screen, press Shift plus Command plus 3. The screenshot will be saved to your desktop. To capture a selected portion of the screen, press Shift plus Command plus 4. Click and drag to select the area you want to capture, then release to take the screenshot. To capture a specific window, press Shift plus Command plus 4, then press the spacebar. Your cursor will change to a camera icon. Click on the window you wish to capture. Step 3. Find the screenshot. After taking a screenshot, it will be automatically saved to your desktop as a .png file. The file will be named screenshot, followed by the date and time. However, you can change this name as you wish. Double-click on the screenshot file on your desktop to open it in Preview. From here, you can view, edit, or share the screenshot as needed. Press Shift plus Command plus 5 to open the screenshot app, click on Options, and then select your preferred save location under the Save To section. Pressing Shift plus Command plus 5 also gives you access to additional screenshot options, such as capturing a video of your screen or including/excluding the mouse cursor in your screenshots. Screenshots can be shared by email, message, or through social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. directly from your Mac. Just right-click the file and hit Share to see how. By following these steps, you can now easily capture any moment on your screen for reference, sharing, or documentation purposes.